What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever played a VR game and wished you could actually feel the things you see? Whether it's shaking a character's hand or grabbing an object, that sense of touch is usually missing. Well, a team of researchers is working on a fascinating solution to bring physical contact into the virtual world. They've developed a system called ETHOS, which stands for Encounter-Type Haptics for On-Demand Social Interaction. That's a mouthful, but the idea is brilliant. It uses a high-precision robotic arm to meet your hand at the exact right moment in virtual reality. So when a virtual character goes for a high five, the robot arm physically presents a silicone hand for you to slap. To make this work for different interactions, they created 3 custom props. There's an open silicone hand for high fives, a closed fist for fist bumps, and even a baton for object handovers. These props are made from a special silicone that feels surprisingly skin-like, adding to the realism. The system uses the cameras on a standard VR headset, like a Meta Quest 3, to track your hand movements in real time. This is paired with a super-fast robotic arm that can position the props with sub-centimeter accuracy. The researchers developed 2 control modes for the robot. One is a static mode, where the prop waits for you at a fixed spot, much like other haptic systems. But the more exciting one is the dynamic mode, which actually tracks your hand's approach and adjusts its target to meet you halfway for a more natural interaction. Safety is a huge priority, so the system constantly monitors where your head is and will immediately stop if you get too close to the robot's workspace. So, does it work? The test showed that the physical prop and the virtual object were aligned with an error of only about 5 millimeters, which is incredible. That's small enough that you'd never notice the difference. Even more impressive is the timing. The delay between your virtual hand touching the object and your real hand making contact was, on average, less than 30 milliseconds. That's well below the threshold of what humans can normally perceive, making the contact feel instantaneous. So, to recap, the ETHOS system uses a robot arm with custom props to let you physically touch and interact with virtual characters. It's incredibly accurate in both its positioning and its timing, creating a seamless experience. What does this mean for the future? Imagine VR training simulations where you can physically practice tasks, or social VR platforms where you can give a friend a reassuring handshake from across the world. This technology could also revolutionize physical rehabilitation and create far more immersive entertainment. ETHOS represents a major step towards making virtual interactions feel genuinely real and socially engaging. It's an exciting glimpse into a future where the line between the physical and virtual worlds becomes even more blurred.